Hi Clarinets, welcome back. Today we'll do Accent Book 2, page number 19. And this piece, or this page, talks about enharmonics. Enharmonics are any two notes that are written differently but sound the same. They have the same pitch. So we're giving examples of that. C sharp is D flat, F sharp is G flat, and B is C flat. Take a look at that piano keyboard laid out at the top of the page. Notice the enharmonic notes and which ones are the same. Our first exercise here, number 64, uses enharmonic notes called the chromatic crawl. I've got my metronome set at 80 beats per minute. And let's see, can we do our chromatic crawl? We'll play it twice. 1, 2, ready, go. Now you may need your fingering guide at the back of the book if you've forgotten any of your fingerings. That's okay, take and look it up, and then let's play it the second time together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Our next piece is the theme from Piano Concerto No. 2 by Rachmaninoff. Do you notice that this is in cut time? That's right, we're in cut time, 2/2 time, à la bref, which means that the note values for our notes are half the regular value that we know them as. Whole notes won't get 4, they get 2. Half notes won't get 2 beats, they'll get 1 beat. And quarter notes, well, they'll sound like eighth notes. Be careful as we play this Piano Concerto No. 2. To get started, I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 1. Bum, ba. We're going to come in right after that 1. 1 and 2 and 1. Bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, like that. Join me. 1 and 2 and 1. If you need to, pause, practice, rewind, and review that one as many times as you need so that you can play it with perfection. Number 66 is In the Hall of the Mountain King by Edvard Grieg. This is one of my favorites on this page because of the second measure. It's a very tricky measure. Look at measure 2. It's G sharp, E, G sharp, then G, E flat, G. So, a very tricky pattern. G sharp, E, G sharp, G, E flat, G. See if you can do it with me as we do this In the Hall of the Mountain King. 1 and 2 and here we go. Did you? Did you master measure 2? Good. Our last exercise is number 67. It's the Overture from the Barber of Seville by Gioacchino Rossini. And A few pages ago, we used our B fingering up high with our thumb and our register key. And on page 18, we used our C fingering. We'll get to review both of those notes here in this piece. So to count it off, I'm going to give you 3 counts because of the pickup measure. 1, 2, 3. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum, ba. Follow along or join along with me as we play the Overture from the Barber of Seville. Also, notice the F sharp in the key signature. We will play some high F sharps here. I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3. You can practice that one again if you need to by pausing and rewinding. Lastly, number 68 is the accent on theory. Rewrite each of these notes as its enharmonic equivalent. So, using the top of the page as a guide, what is the enharmonic equivalent of F sharp? If you said G flat, you're correct. Grab your pencil and put it in measure 2. Then complete the exercise with the other remaining notes. There are 3 of them. When you're done, show it to someone who can check it and tell you if you're correct or not. Make your revisions if you need to. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.